So if I strike with the staff, right? So it's so these movements, so they come and I reach forward. That's very Mantis-y. If you go to staff, I said I wasn't going to do this. We're not doing much except for this. Except for this, I'll have to use this as a promo for like the seven in quotation marks. Silat animal weapons. Okay, if we just click sticks together, like right, left, right, I'll remember the drill. That one's okay. It's gonna come to me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Now let's and then come to try and surprise me.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. Sorry, I do it right sometimes. So this, and then here, this is going to come over, right? To pull through. I meant cause splendor. So that's a staff. That's a staff disarm. So you strike downward. I strike downward.
Oh, downward.
Right. This step up line. Sorry, I hit a hand. This is the umbrella or the roof block, right? So if you think of the Mantis form, I can't remember what you was for. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But I can feel where his feet are. So if he takes a step with his foot, because of that contact, foot like here.